making sound. This video is about the sound, which is also a fundamental part of our world. We hear music, speech, and environmental noise every day, but sound is more than just a background element. So this video is about the documentary video exploring the physics of sound, showcasing the ways in which sound shapes our uh, daily life and the understanding of the world. So one of the main important example that is shown in this video is Stromboli, which is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. So every few hours it erupts with the massive explosions of lava and ash. So while these eruptions produce erosions happens, they produce loud audible noises. So like many other volcanoes, Stromboli acts as a giant musical instrument, emitting low frequency vibrations that humans cannot hear, but scientists can detect using specialized equipment. So this documentary emphasizes the sound is far more than just noise. It is a powerful tool for understanding the world. The narrator, the videographer, explores how sound can reveal information that is invisible. So another example is listening to trees. So at first the idea of a tree making noise seems strange, but with the help of stethoscope, then the instructor demonstrates that trees do produce sounds. The creaking and groaning of branches in the wind are audible, but even more interesting are the tiny crackling and popping noises happening inside the tree. This sound came from the from the tree's vascular system as it draws water from its root to its leaves. So on the very hot day, the presence of these bubbles indicates that tree is thirsty. Scientists can use this phenomenon to monitor plant health and understand how trees respond to climate conditions. Uh, this documentary explains the fundamental nature of sound. Sound is a type of energy that moves through ears as a vibration. To visualize these vibrations, the narrator or explanationer conducts an experiment in a special environment known as hemi-anechoic chamber. So this place is designed to absorb sound, making it almost completely silent, a perfect place to study how sound waves behaves. In this experiment, speaker and candles are used to make sound visible. So uh, the speaker plays a deep low frequency sound at 20 Hz, which causes the ear to vibrate, and the vibration travel outwards in waves, disturbing the candle flames. And if the flame precisely follows the movement of the sound waves, the frequency of sound increases, which is audible. So this video also explore how our understanding of sound has evolved. Scientists and researchers have developed ways to study sound beyond human hearing, leading to discoveries that range from how animals communicate to the universe itself produces vibrations. So in conclusion, this documentary presents sounds as a dynamic and essential force in the natural world. So by exploring sound's hidden dimension, scientists can gain insights into the phenomena that are invisible. Through experiments, real-world examples, and scientific research, the documentary reveals the astonishing ways in which sound shapes our perception and enhances our understanding of the universe.